What's up, y'all? It's Timmy, and today we're gonna take a really cheap snow machine up the craziest terrain in Alaska, so let's go. All right, we're up here, up in Turnigan Pass. Get everything all ready to go. It's the machine, 2003 Polaris RMK 700. Shut the 151. She's gonna get it done. Get the 151, she's gonna get it done. We're going up there to see if we can make it. Get all loaded up, let's go hit it. All right, this is it. Gonna do it. So this is also going to be Erin's first time riding up the mountain up here. She just bought her first snow machine. See how she does. Anyway guys, kind of the point of today's video is just to show you that you can still get out and get her done on something old. Even if you can't afford these new $20,000 machines you see all over the place, you can still get out there and have yourself a very fine time and fall off the running board. Oh. We're gonna mess around down here, get Erin used to counter steering and stuff, then we're gonna go up the sunny side. Up Turnigan. She'll probably get up fine though. She's on a 2020 Polaris RMK. It's an 800cc, it's a little more powerful than this, and it's a 165, so she's got a whole bunch of traction. Anyway, this Turnigan Pass here, this is kind of like, I almost want to say a rite of passage. Like once you ride up this hill, you can kind of makes you feel like you can ride anywhere, but it's really intimidating your first time up. Sure she tops out. Oh, I killed it. Yeah, you did it. That's honestly kind of the worst part. The other stuff's more big and open when you get up there. He's in the middle.
Timmy?
Yeah, what's up, man?
What's up, buddy?
How's it going?
Good.
Getting out for a little run?
Gonna try.
Nice.
Yeah, I heard it's getting pretty wind hammered up there.
Yeah, you can see it just ripping.
Yeah.
I haven't been up to the back bowls.
One of my buddies said you got up to the top of Barbecue Hill and almost got blown over.
Oh, really?
Yeah, with his sled.
Oh my God.
Sled? Yeah.
It's not him right there, is it? This guy's going super slow. Oh God.
You know he's doing it though.
Yeah, he's making it up.
Some good grip.
Yeah. Yeah, the up track's about as good as it can get this year.
Yeah.
Oh! Oh, don't do it. Get ready to move, maybe. Oh! Oh, don't do that. Don't do that. Oh.
He just got tossed with it.
Yeah. I can't believe that stopped right there. He got lucky. Yeah, so what got him, he was going super, super slow. Okay. Oh, yeah. Nice.
Did the sled roll over you?
I flipped over it. Tried to escape. Actually, it didn't roll over.
Okay.
Yeah, good save, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Will be your friend. And then with these side hills, if you feel like you're losing your edge, just try to get onto the one side, to the uphill side, and then throttle it out.
You need to react quickly, right?
Yeah.
Yep.
You give more throttle and throws it in some way, and then if you don't react quickly, then.
Yep.
Here comes Erin. This is the last one. This one's really straightforward. You just keep going fast. And it gets, this is the steepest part just right here. You did it! We'll get out of this wind, we'll go down there.
I think I did way gnarlier stuff.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's just intimidating, but once you do it one time, it's really not that bad. Woo! Ooh, the wind is ripping. So this is the top of Turnigan Pass, the whole ridge line. This is Seattle Ridge up there. It's that ridge way out there in the distance. But this is one of the main bowls you can come to play around in. Pretty sweet. Hey, what's up, man? A little swimming pool going.
Yeah. Yeah, you want to pull, maybe?
Yeah, no worries. I try pinning it really hard and kind of wiggle it really hard.
Okay, 1, 2.
Woo! Nice. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's why it's good practice in the air side though, because then it's like forces you to try to balance without all the powder. And now you're good at it. Here comes Erin up to the top of warm-up bowl. It's her first time climbing this one. She's been doing so awesome today, just freaking tearing it up. Like she totally figured out the counter steering thing. That's a really good sled she's on too. It's just an 800, but really good sled. Oh yeah, right up to the top. Whoa, where's she going? Where are you going? Oh my God. It's gonna have to go down. You're ready to turn. God, that sled handle is so nice. All right, so we're at the top of Turnigan right now, obviously, and we're heading down. This is like the notorious downhill. Absolutely terrifying your first time you do it, especially for new mountain riders. The fun part is you have to make this hook right down here. You definitely can't tell how steep it is. Nice. She's got it. bench you have to kind of hook onto.
Those people were literally coming up straight at me.
I don't know what they're doing. They saw me coming down. They should have like waited, and they like both kept on coming. That's like the golden rule. If someone's coming down, you don't go, because you can't control yourself when you're going down.
It just must be like people thinking that the uphill has the right of way like every other sport.
No, sled it doesn't. You can't stop. That's the one downside to riding on a Turnigan. There's a lot of people up there sometimes. People don't really know the right of way stuff. I can't believe I didn't have these for so long. They're so nice. Good. Short distance.
Yeah, you
Oh, rip the note up.
What?
I don't know what it is. Something like your videos, keep them coming, Soldotna. Oh, a Kalani gift card. That's nice.
That's like a little kid's handwriting.
Oh yeah, it is. Something, Angie More? Augie? It's either Augie or Angie, I can't tell. That's nice, thank you. That's awesome. Somebody knows Kaladi's coffee is my favorite. Thank you very much. Appreciate that. Oh, this is your first day, like, it clicked today. Totally clicked. You got it. She got it.
Good, please.
Anyway, there you have it. RMK, made it up just fine. So just get out and enjoy yourself. Doesn't matter what you're riding. That's Timmy, over and out.